So g'day. See, I brought the sun with me today. Beautiful. But in all seriousness, today I got some stuff from the PO box. Maybe I'll open it on there. So the first one is a first day cover. So this is a Frederick McCubbin, and he was an artist. This is a $2 stamp from, is that 1981? So that would have been also international postage. And then we have another stamp with a butterfly on it. So it's 1998, 45 cents for a stamp. And the other two are just pretty much domestic letters. I reckon that Australia Post should actually put, I don't know, they could probably design it, put a different stamp there every time. So I actually like to keep these first day covers. So how am I going to open this? It is very interesting. So I think this is coins. Yep, PO box. If it was someone's address, yeah, I wouldn't actually show that side. Because, you got people on the internet, they like to steal stuff. Because they're too lazy to get a job. Or they're just untrustworthy. They steal from their grandmothers. So, yeah, I knocked the camera over. Stupid me. Okay. So I'm not too sure if these unboxings are still popular anymore. But, oh god, that was even hard to get out. So, okay, yes. So I don't think this is an original coin. Because an original one, original one would cost a few $1,000s, which I am just not going to fork out for one of these. A few $1,000s, I could get a nice German States Taler, or even just a Pebble State coin. So this is a copy, and how I know it's probably a copy is that you're looking at the two beads just there. So you've got 3 there, and you've got 2. They should be pretty much ill-defined, but these ones are well-defined, so that's an indication it's a copy. What else? I think, this part here on the feathers. This is it's too rough. They should be a lot finer. And also, there's a third one with the initials, but this one looks pretty good. So obviously the counterfeiters have actually done a lot better. So what is this coin? Okay, it's not a coin. It's a token, or just a metal token, fantasy piece. It is a 1967. So this is the swan, and on this side we have 100 cents. So these were issued in, I think, gold and silver. There might be some other metals, and it's just a fantasy piece. Be issued, I think, by a numismatic organisation. But these ones should cost a minimum of $1,000. I got this one for, I think, 25, because obviously I'm not going to get the original coin. So that one I will talk about that in another video. So then we have some other items. Okay, this one's got the person's address. Okay, and we got, looks like I purchased quite a few items on it. So that Swan 100 cents is a very sought after item. I think there's only a few thousand of them issued, but don't quote me on that. You can actually look it up for yourself. Oh, this one's got old postcards. So, these postcards are also collectibles, which I'll probably keep them. But we'll have a look. So this one's Leiden. So this is, but what I purchased, oh no, that sticky tape's gonna damage the actual postcard. So I wanna Okay, so I want to just cut it. The postcard's already been damaged. Okay, so Leiden, that's in the Netherlands. It's got the Dutch flag there. So we'll have a look at the actual coins in a minute, or banknotes, or whatever else I got. Okay, so I've got postcards. I've got Singapore banknotes. I've got Malay cent banknotes. I've got some Greek and farthing coins, and I've got some shillings. So we'll have a look at each of these in their due course. So for the postcards, obviously this one so this is Paris. So these are probably from the 50s or 60s. Doesn't give a date. But these postcards are actually quite interesting. And obviously photos. And these two of the Netherlands. And in those Leiden. So in these canals you can actually find a lot of bikes and probably guns. There's a lot of YouTubers that actually do canal fishing in Europe, and that's what they seem to find. Okay, so then we have some banknotes. So this one's from 1970s, a $1 banknote. This is pretty common, and only still has a face value of $1 Singapore, which is equivalent to $1 Australian dollar. And then we have the boat series. So they issued a $2 coin to replace the note when they introduced the $1 coin back in, I think, 1989. So, and they issued two varieties. So this is a purple one. I think they issued an orange. Can't remember off memory. Here's a $5 banknote. Quite a nice banknote. And this was the boat series. It has different type of boats. And the $10. So I think I got the $20 and the $50. I might be missing a 5 or 10. So I need to check that up. Yeah, so these are still legal tender, so that's 18 Singapore dollars, but you probably sell them for probably double face value for those ones. And we have the highly sought after Singapore Malaya cent coins. So these were issued in 1941. They're only in circulation probably for about 6 months before the Japanese invaded and took over. So we have the 1 and 5 cent. And here we have it, Malay. I think it's called Jawi. So Malay in the Arabic text. And these were probably also reissued after the Second World War in 1945. Although they did issue a high number of coins. Then we have shillings. So we have 1961, 48, 54. Nothing special about these, but I just wanted to make an individual video about each of these shillings and their values. This one looks like it might have been cleaned. The other two don't. So you can see how it looks like a whitish colour, and these are all dull. So considering the wear, they're probably cleaned. And 1922 farthing, 1953 farthing. So the last year I think it was 1956 for the farthing. Then we have another one. What date is that one? That is 1912. So I need to look up the mintages of these because I don't know. This one's in high grade. 1944. I think 44 had a higher mintage. And 1898. Probably in very rough condition. And this one is Queen Victoria. Yeah, you can still see her ears. Then we have a Greek 20 drachma from 1960. Probably about $20 in that condition. And then we have some older coins. So that is that's a 1 drachma from what date? 19... 1910. 20 lepta. 10 drachma, 1930, silver coin. 50 lepta from 1874. Pretty circulated, but they sell for about $5 or $10 still. 1894, and that's a 10 lepta, 5 lepta. And 1951, so that's a farthing. Yeah, in quite a few other farthing coins, which I'll pull these out and I'll make another video on them. So, but one of them did fall out, and this one is a Queen Victoria. So this is the middle age head, and this one is, so the rotation is metal rotation, and this one's probably in VF condition from 1886. So I think it's like 4 or 5 million, but I need to check out the mintages. These ones have the boat on it. The later ones don't. But in due course, I'll explain them. So anyway, that is my latest pickup. I hope this helps you for coin collecting. If not, let me know what you would like to see in coin collecting, so I can help you learn more about what you have in your collection, or even what you could purchase later on, because coin collecting is actually quite a nice hobby. Anyway, thank you and hooroo!